Oh my god, it's recording. Hi Dior gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Today we are going to be doing another Aaliyah look. We are going to be doing her look from We Need a Resolution, like when she's all in the black and it's all like, she has like a pop-in red lip and smoky eye. We're gonna do that. It actually surprised me how many of you really love my try again tutorial that I posted on YouTube and on my makeup page, and this look was actually highly requested, so I am so excited to get right into this. But before we do that, as I said, if you have not subscribed already, please subscribe. I'm trying to take my channel a lot more serious this year, and I'm trying to grow the Dior gang, okay? So I'm just pulling up a little, hey, don't mind the ring light, okay? But this is the look we are going for. She's so pretty. But we're gonna do this, we're gonna recreate this look today. And I feel like I definitely got this one in the bag. So first, I'm just gonna start by, you know, prepping my face, little foundation. The funny thing is, I actually don't even have my right foundation color. Like, my foundation is out and I've just kind of been using anything that I have around the house. So if you guys think I don't know how to match my skin, I definitely do. But you know, I'm just trying to make this work, you feel me?
Less is more.
So I'm taking a closer look at the eye, and it looks like she has like some orangey tones, reddish tones on the top. I think it's more of an orange base, but then it transitions into like a purplish gray. So we're gonna go in with that first. I'll be using my Stunning Vibes palette from MORPHE that I just got, guys. If you don't know about these palettes, check out my haul, okay? But I think this is a good color to try. She has hers up pretty high. So I'm gonna start off really light. So you're gonna do small circles, kind of follow your crease.
But drag the color downward. I learned this technique in makeup school because, you know, some people have like a flawless blend and you wonder how, if they're using such like heavy, rich colors, you have to blend downward. And you can always pick up a brush that has no product on it and blend out to smooth out the edges. It surprises me, a lot of people say they don't really know how to do eyeshadow, and I think I need to do a little mini tutorial on that for you guys, because I didn't realize that it's actually a struggle for a lot of people. Who knew?
I really love eyes. I'll definitely do a tutorial on how to place eyeshadow, and everyone has different eye shapes. You guys have to be really aware of that.
So far it's coming in nicely, but she has a little bit more color, so I'm just going to add some more and then blend downward.
So makeup is fun, guys. It's all about layering. So I'm just observing and looking at the colors that she has in the texture. So I'm gonna add this matte purple. It looks kind of like eggplant. Not sure the actual name of it. Remember, it's the Stunning from the Stunning Vibes palette. But we're just gonna put that on top.
Always want to layer. You want to go in light. You don't want to go in too heavy with product because it's going to take more time for you to blend it out.
Mimi, chill out. She's such a character, guys.
So like this eye looks very harsh, so I'm taking a whole clean brush and I'm just kind of smoking that out.
So now I'm going to be adding some of this dark it looks like a black, but it's like not quite black. But we're gonna add this, and I see a little bit of shimmers and grays in there. We're gonna add that next.
Just like this.
This palette is called Boss Mood. They kind of have like this color right here is kind of like a crystally bluish galaxy vibes type of color. I don't know the name of it. I will definitely put the names when I look back at the names of these. And this one. So I think I'm gonna blend them. I'm gonna add them on the inner corner. A mix of both of them.
Just kind of pat that on. I think this brush is too big. I usually put music in my videos, guys, but like music played in the background, but I don't want any copyright problems. So you're just gonna put it in the front, the inner corner, where we didn't put a lot of product before, and kind of carry it over.
So now I've got, I believe this is Dare to Create from Morphe. I'm gonna use this color right here. I know it looks like it has a little green in it. On camera it doesn't, but maybe a tinge. But we're gonna place this right here on the eye. We need some dimension in this. So she looks like she has a little bit like of like a violetish, purplish color. So I'm going to search and see what I can find that can kind of tie in with that. So we can use some of this from Boss Mood and incorporate just a little bit of purple, like a hint.
So that it is seen, my love. These palettes are so fun, guys. That's why I really don't mind recreating looks and like trying to see how much I can get out of these palettes. Do very small circles for the blending because we're trying to carry it up. So I'm going to be using, this is like a set, I'm not sure of the name of it, but we're going to be using this and this color from Morphe. Hopefully it does the job.
So this lip is so bright, but I have a little Sephora little makeup kit. So I'm just gonna use like one of these darker reds that they have that are kind of more rich. I'm just gonna put it on the corners of the lip.
The lip that she has is really popping.
Just to let you know, I'm on track, okay? I'm completely on track.
Where are my scissors? Like everything is missing. I shut you down. I shut you down. I hate lashes. Oh!
Oh!
Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap! Flip!
Maybe it's the music.
I have a confession. I listen to music like this all day. Who said my good grades are crippin'? Oh snap!
So now the lashes are finally done. I'm just gonna add some eyeliner. Black. So I'm just filling in the little sparse areas where my brows are. Alright, so now I just need to fix my hair and switch into my outfit, and we will be ready to do our little Aaliyah resolution montage. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but let me go change. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this look came out perfect. I feel like Aaliyah today. My hair is not long like hers was, but I think I did a great job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please share this video. This look was so much fun, and this little top won't stop falling. But I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.